Hello, programmers. Welcome to our fun code lab. Here, we always do some interesting stuffs with code and have some fun with that. So today, we are going to create a Python script that can automatically comment on any Facebook post like this. But make sure that you are not using the script to spam anyone or harm anyone. This is just for fun and fully educational purpose. Okay, let's get started. At first, we have to set up our environment, and I'm going to do it on Ubuntu, but I will instruct you how to do it on Windows as well. So, first of all, we have to install Python and pip on our system. For Ubuntu, just type sudo apt-get install python 3 to install Python, and for Windows user, you have to download Python exe file from their site python.org and install it on your system. While installing, make sure that you checked the add to path checkbox to ensure that Python is available on your whole system. And to install pip, to Ubuntu, just type sudo apt-get install python 3 pip, and the pip will be installed. In my system, Python and pip is already installed. That's why we are getting a message that the package is already installed. But on your system, you will get different messages. And on Windows, you don't have to install pip separately because it comes alongside with the Python package. Okay, the last step of our setup is installing a Python module called PyAutoGUI. So to install this module, you have to just type pip install PyAutoGUI. This command is same as Ubuntu and Windows. So if you are on Windows, just open your command prompt and type this command. In Ubuntu, the process is slightly different. We have to install additional 3 dependencies for this module. So that we have to install Scott, Python 3 TK and Python 3 dev for this. So to install that dependency, just type sudo apt-get install scrot space python 3 tk space python 3 dev, and this will install the 3 additional dependencies in your system. Okay, now the dependencies are fulfilled and we have to install the module now. For that, just type pip install PyAutoGUI, and this will install the PyAutoGUI module on your system. Okay, your environment setup is complete now. Now we are going to write our script. Before writing a script, open your Facebook account. That's because we are going to comment on Facebook post, and that's why you have to open your Facebook account first, and then we are going to write the script. Okay, let's open our Facebook account. Here, choose any Facebook post where you want to auto comment. Let's say I am going to comment on this post. Okay, now keep the tab open and open your code editor to write your script. Here, I am going to use my VS Code, but you can use any code editor you are comfortable with. Now create a new file and let's call it autocomment.py. Now let's write the script. In this script, we need 2 modules called PyAutoGUI and time. So let's import them. Now we are going to create an array that contains the comments that our script will automatically comment on the Facebook post. One important note that don't use the same message and comment it again and again, because that's why your account will be blocked by Facebook. So use some different messages to comment on Facebook. For this, I am going to create an array that's contain different messages, and our script will comment that messages on the Facebook post. Okay, now our array of comments is ready, and here we are going to pause our script for 5 seconds. It gives us the time to go to Facebook and choose any post where you want to auto comment. For this, we are going to use the time module, and in the time module we have a function called sleep, and we are going to use that function to pause the execution of our script for 5 seconds. Okay, after this 5-second pause, we are going to create a for loop that will keep commenting on the post that we will choose. So for this, we are just going to create a for loop right now. Here I type I in range 10. That means our script is going to comment just 10 comments on that Facebook post. If you want to increase the number, then just change the 10 to any number you want. Now we are going to write on the comment box. For that, we are going to use PyAutoGUI module and the typewrite function. So for this, just write PyAutoGUI.typewrite, and here we have to put the message that we want to type. Here we are going to use the comments array. On the index field, type I modulus 7. That's because in the comments array we have 7 content, and we are going to shuffling them one by one. After writing your comment, we now have to press the enter to post your comment. For that, we are now going to press the enter with the help of type function. After that, we are going to pause our loop for 3 seconds after each comment, because if you do it too fast, then Facebook will going to block your account. So don't be too rush and do it slowly. For that, we are again going to use the time module and sleep function for 2 seconds of pause, and your script is done. Okay, now execute this script and let's see how it's going to work. For that, open your terminal. I am going to use the inbuilt terminal of VS Code, but you can use the external terminal as well. It will be same for both. Now just minimize this window and open your Facebook. Now we are going to execute our script. So for that, just type Python 3 space your script name, and if you are on Windows, you don't have to put the 3 at last, so you have to just type Python space your script name. Okay, now I'm going to write Python 3 space auto comment.py, and after pressing enter, you have 5 seconds to go to the Facebook tab and choose any post where you want to comment. Okay, now I want to comment on this post. For this, just click on the comment section and wait for 5 seconds. Now you can see here that our script is automatically commenting on this post, and it's just typing the comments we have specified in our comments array. So that's why you can use your Python script to automatically comment on any Facebook post. But I am repeating again, don't harm anyone or spam anyone with this script. Just use it for fun or for educational purpose. And that's it for this video. If you have any doubt and query, then comment below. And also, if you have any interesting idea that we can do in our Fun Code Lab, then also comment it on the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, like this video and also subscribe.